Don't you believe that news can be something helpful for quick decision making? No. I have nothing more to say about this. They are not. Superfluous data is not. Option chains, this and that. I'm not saying you cannot use that data. Understand? I have a fellow trader. You must have all heard about him. OI Pulse, founder Shiva. So I met him at one of the traders carnival. Fantastic guy, lots of energy. He trades only using open interest stuff. He is a scalper. He's doing fantastically well. His students are doing great. Now, you may ask, he uses OI data. How can you say that it's not useful? I'm saying it's not useful for me. News is not useful for me. I don't want to clutter my mind with all the additional data. Please understand, additional. Why? Because this market generated information that I am getting from market profile chart is enough for me. I can make trading decisions based on my time frame for my requirement and I am happy with it. I don't need additional data. I don't need more data. So if you don't need more data and you are happy with something, why do you want to clutter your mind with additional stuff? That all additional stuff only acts as distraction. Now, if I ask Shiva to use market profile, I'm not sure whether he uses it or not. I'm pretty sure he does not use it. But let's say I ask him, you trade only from market profile charts, or you have to combine market profile with your option open interest analysis and all other analysis that you do. He would find it as a hindrance. Now, why do I avoid news? Is because, let's say there is some announcement, RBI is doing something is happening in Ukraine, US is doing something, China is doing something. Everyone is trying to do something or the other at some or the other time. It is only going to create bias in your mind, and then you are going to act on it. Then you will fail. Then you will realize that if only you had stuck to the market generated information, which in fact includes everything. See, I am not watching the news, but you are, some other traders are. You guys are acting on that information that is showing up on the charts. And I'm just reacting to that, responding to that. And if I'm doing well, why do I need to add that additional information? A screen is running and ads will be shown in between, and so many distractions are there. Why do you need it? Better I pick up, something like I pick up a book and I keep reading it. That is much better. So what I can do is I can just open my charts and I wait for the opportunity. In the meanwhile, I read. That is much preferable to me than having an idiot box, continuously running, eating up electricity, increasing my power bill and causing distraction. So in the short answer is absolutely no. I don't find it useful, don't find it necessary, but that is for me. If you believe you can trade well with the news, go ahead, try it. I have no issues with that. See, there are no absolutes in the market. That you need to understand. There is not this my way or the highway thing. That is a big problem. That is why there are so many fights going on Twitter. I can be successful in the market with my method. You can be successful with your method. If there is some value in what I am teaching, you can use it, combine with your own method and come up with something that suits your personality the best. Go ahead and trade it. That's it. You don't have to worry about what I will say about this new method or what I will think. I don't care what you think or what anyone else thinks about what I'm trying to do here. It works for me. I like to share. That's why I'm sharing. Now, what happens is someone will come and he'll say that open interest is the only way to trade. All other things are stupid. I'm not saying they are stupid. There are successful traders who are using that information, making money. What I'm saying is they are not useful for me. And they will create only distractions for me. Because I have found my method, I am happy using it. Make sense? So that is my take on that. If you find it useful, by all means go ahead and use it. I am not stopping you from doing that. But again, I don't find it useful at all.